One of the hidden values, hidden secrets, hidden storylines the last 5 years has been the brand new Golden Dollar series. And they did it right this time, in my opinion. This is just mine. And that is they took the state quarter program, which took collecting to new heights in 1999, state by state by state, all 50 states, right? And then people loved the presidential series because it was on the Golden Dollar. Well, the Innovations program combined them both in 2018. And over the last couple of years, we've seen one thing: sleeper written all over it. Look at this set, and I'm going to tell you about the numbers. This is last year's 2022 reverse proof set. Now, the lowest minted set every year, even when they introduced the introductory coin in 2018 for the month of December, the only sellout was the reverse proof, right? And then every year there's regular P's and D's, and then there's a special collector proofs, and then there is a reverse proof, which is the rarest of them all. And it's the finest quality, and it really pops the design. Well, last year is the set you're looking at right here. And it is, well, special. If you look at the mintage, they made 45,000 4-coin sets. You remember when they first came out, they were state by state, coin by coin? But the last 2 years are 4-piece sets in a beautiful proof set lens. Still not in the proof set, but they're here. Now, these coins also on the reverse proof have a privy mark right to the left of the Statue of Liberty. Why do these things not grade 70s? Well, look at the reverse. That's why they don't grade 70. There's so much open field, you can't, it's like, wow. Here is the numbers, year by year through this process. And that one is the rarest of them all, right there, and it's in this set. In 2019, there were 1,044 sets that were able to be put together, which is a tiny number. But Georgia didn't grade. The Georgia had an issue. 2020, year 2, there's only 696 sets that can be put together in reverse proof 70 NGC. And that was because South Carolina didn't grade. 2021, 2 years ago, 589 sets are known in 70 condition. And that is because Virginia didn't grade. Well, 2022, again, with the U.S. Mint's published numbers on how many sets they made, which was this week, which was 45,729. If you go to NGC's website, this is the shocker. It's been going down a little bit every year, but this year it dropped off the cliff. There are only 216 sets in the world today of this reverse proof set that can be put together because of one coin, and I referenced it earlier, the rarest coin in the entire series to date, 18, 19, 20, 21, and 2022. So 17 coins have been released so far, and the Rhode Island, which is the yacht, because of the reverse, which is this right here, there are only 216 sets that have been put together and certified. And by the way, it wasn't like they just released this last week, so the numbers are low, and they've been out there for quite some time, which is why the mintage is up there at 45,000. It's a gorgeous coin, a great collector item. And the designs kind of remind me of the original state quarters, right? Some of the great themes of the respective states. But look at that open field. Because of the design and the complexity, which is rather simple, that yacht with the frosting and then the Statue of Liberty frosting is the complication. So again, 1,044. If it was a Silver Eagle, crazy money. 2020, 696. 2021, 589. And this year, 2022, this past year, only 216. I haven't got there yet, have I? One competitor has some of these sets as well. A big name, you probably know who they are. Some call them wholesalers. They're at $349. So much for being a wholesaler. We're at $199.95 tonight. the few sets we have left. Again, many of you I know have been working with us on this series. This is only the second time we've had this. We had it available late last year, and they sold out so fast. We've had a chance to restock. But the restock still has us stuck at 216 sets. That's not just what we have, that's what the world has. That's NGC's population. If you go to the population report, hit dollars, hit innovation dollars, and then go to the reverse proof section, and look at the far right-hand column, 70s, and it tells you how many are made by each state. The number of sets are tied to the lowest number, right? That is the one on the far left, the yacht of Rhode Island. And that reverse, that is just a killer. Beautiful, right? Outright special. I love it. I hope you do as well. Guys, on this one, we're tied to phone calls and fewer sets than phone calls. So I think this one has to be a hot check. So with this, let's be moving. Thank you, everybody. We appreciate your patience. Again, avccoins.com. If this is in your shopping cart, we've made reference to it a number of times already tonight. If it's in your shopping cart, we can't see it. But if you push it through and they give you an order number, then it's locked and the operators also see it, which means they can't sell it. So join us tonight, $199.95 versus $349. Bottom line is this, 216 sets in the world today. One of the hidden secrets of 2022's coinage, right here, right now, while they last.